The chemistry of toothpaste. Let's talk about teeth.
Demineralization. Demineralization occurs when bacteria creates an acidic environment on a tooth surface. Acidity dissolves hydroxyapatite, releasing positively charged calcium ions and negatively charged carbonate and phosphate ions into saliva. When normal saliva flow dilutes the acidity, the positive and negative ions recombine and remineralize the surface. This cycle represents a balance. However, diets rich in fermentable carbohydrates such as mono and disaccharides, which are relatively simple sugars, disrupt the balance. They stimulate oral bacteria to create dental plaque and acid. Plaque is a substance that attaches to tooth enamel and is colonized by bacteria that form it. Ingestion of fermentable carbohydrates causes approximately 1/2 hour of intense acid production by the bacteria. This burst of acid production lowers the pH near the tooth surface, demineralizing large amounts of hydroxyapatite. The balance is disrupted, and as the cycle is repeated, it damages the tooth surface.
The composition of toothpaste. Abrasives, detergents, humectants, thickeners, preservatives, and flavoring.
Abrasives. Abrasives are used to remove plaque and tartar. It gives toothpaste their cleaning power, and it also polishes teeth and removes stains. Some examples are alumina, hydrated silica, dicalcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, and sodium bicarbonate.
Detergents, also referred to as soaps, foaming agents, or surfactants. They are used to remove compounds that have varied properties, oil and water. They prevent toothpaste from dripping out of the mouth while brushing. Detergent requires flavoring to mask their flavor. Examples include sodium lauryl sulfate and sodium lauryl sarcosinate. These ingredients have been reported to cause canker sores or mouth ulcers in some users.
Humectants. Humectants give toothpaste its texture. It also retains moisture. Some examples are glycerin, sorbitol, water, and pentanol. Thickeners. Thickeners also give toothpaste its texture. It helps toothpaste stay on the toothbrush. An example is cellulose gum.
Preservatives. They prevent growth of microorganisms. Some examples are sodium benzoate, methylparaben, ethylparaben,
Flavoring. Flavoring is pretty self-explanatory. Some examples are peppermint, spearmint, cinnamon, wintergreen, menthol.
Fluoride. It promotes chemical reactions in tooth enamel that draws in replacement minerals like calcium. It prevents decay, makes teeth resistant to acid, and when fluoride ions are also available to the cells, an additional material called fluoroapatite is formed. Integration of a small amount of fluoroapatite within a hydroxyapatite matrix may produce a more durable substance than is found within hydroxyapatite alone.
Topical fluoride. Topical fluoride inhibits the ability of some bacteria to produce dental plaque by blocking the function of important intracellular bacterial enzymes. This leads to reduced demineralization and increased remineralization of enamel surfaces. Fluoride is often left out of children's toothpaste.
Triclosan. It's only found in Colgate toothpaste. Triclosan has been linked to a range of adverse health and environmental effects, such as skin irritation, endocrine disruption, bacterial and compounded antibiotic resistance, contamination of water, and negative impacts on aquatic ecosystems.
For our experiment, we made homemade toothpaste, and we used 1 drop of peppermint extract, 2 grams of saccharin, 15 grams of sodium bicarbonate, 3 grams of washing soda, 1 milliliter of glycerin, and water.
The peppermint extract adds flavor to the toothpaste. The saccharin is to enhance the toothpaste flavor. The sodium bicarbonate acts as a cleaning agent and abrasive. It neutralizes acid that causes cavities. The washing soda acts as a detergent. It helps clean plaque and food off of the teeth. The glycerin allows the toothpaste to foam. The calcium phosphate, which was not used in our experiment, acts as fluoride, strengthening teeth.
So for our experiment, we used eggshells to test our toothpaste on because eggshells have a similar composition to tooth enamel, and we stained them with grape juice so that we could see how well the toothpaste cleans the eggs.
The first ingredient we added was peppermint.
Next, we added the saccharin, which is just artificial sweetener, or Splenda.
Then we added sodium bicarbonate, which we used baking soda for.
Next, we added washing soda. added deionized water until the mixture formed a paste consistency.
First, we started with the Colgate toothpaste on one of the eggs. We did 1 minute of scrubbing. The egg turned out to have still a purple tint, but was relatively white.
Then we cleaned the egg with our homemade toothpaste, also for a minute. This egg ended up being whiter than the egg that was cleaned with the Colgate toothpaste.
The results. Our toothpaste cleaned the grape juice stained egg better than the Colgate toothpaste. The end!